Alright guys, we got all the parts here. Got our seat back from PRP, bucket full of wires. It's going down, guys. Got all our parts here. Fireball came in clutch. These things look awesome, dude. Got some Walker Evans links and assaults for the front. Pretty slick. Everything came out sweet. Local powder coat guys killed it. PRP doors will just need some skins because they got some bin ones when we got them. But the frames came out sweet. It's gonna be epic, dude. Let's get after it. Alright guys, got the trailing arms off, completely down, suspension on the rear, ready to rock. Let's head over here and check this sweet stuff out, dude. So these are coming together. We got the hubs on there. We're trying to figure out about length. I'm not sure if it matters or what. Contacted Fireball trying to see. I'm assuming pushed all the way in, they're pretty much the same length on these, and I don't think you can get much more on the back, otherwise everything's going to be out of whack with the radius rod. So we'll have to see what they say. If not, we'll just have to trial and error it. But they look awesome, dude. Everything does. Looks great. Major facelift for her. We'll be back at you guys with some more. All right, we had a quick little setup so we can set these ball joints in there. Just a little A-arm setup. They got a plug or something on the back here. And they screw in, so no more C-clip crap to pop out anymore. Had that happen at Glen Helen, that was a freaking nightmare. Once those clips bend, they're useless, but these things are sturdy, man. Super sturdy. I like this design way more. So those are all ready. Now we just gotta take these suckers apart and get the bushings out of here, and we'll be good. Time to start ripping it up. Pretty far along. Not much left. Just got a brake and a shock, sway link, and set the alignment on it. That's about it. Sucker's Turbo S width now. Dang. Fireball kit works wonders, dude. Look at that thing. Woo!
Start it up.
She's done. Chupacabra mirrors. Some Fireball front arms. Smitty suspension. New All-Terrain Concepts front light. Thing's styling. New Assault Off-Road steering wheel with their hub. Got UTV Obsessions on here now. Trailing arms look sweet. Good old Force turbo. She's rocking.
Then they come way up. Okay. Well, we'll have him grab in the center, and then we can do the thing. Just look at him. What's going on? Fuck you, John. Come on, help us set this giant circus tent up.
Circus tent?
Circus tent, dude.
Who the fuck's the UTV guys?
Look, here's Dumbo.
Do a little dance. Oh man. Thing smells weird.
Dude, the majority of the time you smell weird.
No, that's big. He hasn't showered.
He gets in the truck and goes, yeah, I haven't
It's okay, we don't have the power to tell the world anything yet.
Pat, shut up.
He goes, oh, I'm practicing for Oregon, and I'm like, dude, there's showers in Oregon. They have showers there at the campground.
Come on, let's get it. Watch. Watch it.
Dang. Are we official yet, dude? Look, it's half the battle, man. Look at this. Look at this, bruh. Welcome to Walmart. Get your shit and get out.
We need an eye test for white claws in the back.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
UTV claws,
Not
bro.
quite sure what UTV. Not quite sure what UTV takes over his policy on beer. We're gonna find out. Yeah, I guess we'll find out. Jake will find out for us.
Yeah. This thing's sweet, man.
I'm impressed. All thanks to Peter Director over at All Spring Kansas. Definitely hooked us up.
Peter.
Peter, you wanna come here, Peter?
Pat, what did I tell you about pulling your wiener out in public? There's people.
I don't do that no more.
No
Not
more.
a court order, okay?